Hello and welcome back. This is life after the Cadac. Now, some of you will know, who watch the channel regularly, this year we got rid of a lot of things in the caravan that we don't need anymore, and tried to make things a little bit easier for going away, get rid of a bit of a weight that we don't need. I've got a bit of weight I don't need, and getting rid of things that we're breaking with us. So yeah, we ditched the Cadac, and this is what we do these days now. We don't cook inside the van. So we've got this George Foreman grill, which I've been using for quite a few months, and it's turned out, for just me and Angela, it's absolutely fantastic. And I'm using that gas cooker there that I had in my truck to cook my onions off, and it's so much better. Shall we have a rare appearance? How do you find it doing it like this, each way?
It's easy.
It's what?
Quite easy.
Quite easy. Much better than the Cadac.
Much better than the Cadac, yeah. It's cleaner.
Cleaner?
It's easier to clean.
So she's
easier
fractured
to
her
out.
shoulder. It's good though, isn't it?
It's much easier to sort out than doing it like this, and it's much easier to clean.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm going to put this on. All you do is... Oops, no, hang on, you don't do that. How do you do it?
You have to lock it, don't you?
Oh, put that on there a second.
You have to lock it first. That. You have to lock.
Yeah, make sure it's locked into place like that. Oh, smell of gas there a bit. And then turn that on. Let's move it away from the van. Job's a good one. What are you putting flour on there for?
Sugar.
Oh, sugar. Why you
I'm
put
going to
sugar?
caramelise the onions.
See, I knew that. Caramel, that what she said. The onions.
They just need to go for quite a long time, that's all.
A long time?
Yeah.
You mean I have to stand out here in this?
No, just leave them. They're fine.
Oh, right, okay. Right, just leave them, see? I knew that. And then put some stuff on there.
Martin, what are you doing?
I'm caramelising the onions. Yeah, doing a good job, aren't I?
Brilliant, yeah.
What's it called? Caramel. Yeah, I don't know what it's going to do, but it's looking like I know what I'm doing here. Yeah, it's going to be. What am I making?
Caramelised onions.
No, what am I making? What's it all going to be called?
Were you doing a steak on a ciabatta with some caramelised onions?
Right. And what's it going to be called when it's done?
Martin's surprise, I suggest.
Martin's surprise. Martin's surprise. Yeah. My favourite cooking line is from, what's he called? Gino Di Campo. If my mother had wheels, she'd be a bicycle. Yeah, I'm good at this. I've been told off for messing with it. Apparently, I've got to leave it and put it on low. I've put it on low, and you're putting more water in, yeah?
You just leave it alone.
It's like, I'm leaving it alone. You remember them I've shown my age here now. I can't remember what program was these cooks, and these go bush to bush to bush, bush to bush to bush. What was it? Muppet Show. That was it. Yeah. Bush to bush to bush, bush bush bush. Show me age there. Right, I'm just gonna leave them. Leave them like she tells me. Leave them. Right. Onions caramelising. Check. Steak on. Check. To what they call them? Ciabattas ready to go on. Check. I'm a chef. Or a chief. Or a chef. I'm a chef. Doing well. Yes. Cooking like a demon. All good. Ciabatta. Oh, put them that way. Put a bit of like that, you see? Oh, balls. There we go. No, I'll do it that way. What?
It's fine.
It's fine, see? It's fine. Right, rice. We've got some rice, but I'm cheating. Back in the van. I'm going to do it in the microwave. Switch the thing on up here. If I can get to the plug. Microwave. How long does it say? How long does it say this, Ange?
1 minute 30 seconds.
1 minute 30 seconds. That's very precise. You need any water in it?
No.
How do you do the time? There we go. 1 minute 30. Oh yes, cooking with gas. No, cooking with electricity, not gas. Ciabattas warming up. Steak, almost done. Oh yes. Yeah, that's not bad. Just break that bit off there. Turn that down to 1 because it's cooked that. Yeah, it looks alright. Oh, fat drips into here. It's pretty good. Put that back down again. Onion. Caramelised. So turn them over.
You've not gone carameliser yet.
No, these.
Yeah.
I'm going to be brave and use my hands. Oh, that's not even on that. Turn that up a bit. Oh, wrong way. Donut. Tony always makes this look hard work from Addies. It's easy, isn't it? It's easy, this cooking like Tony. What are you on about? What are you nodding your head at? Good, isn't it? Right, let's go. Table almost set. Rice. Oh, chipping up. Rice. Out the microwave. I know, it's a bit cheating. Uncle Ben's original. I always like to switch that off once I've finished with it. Right, we can reach. There we go. Switch that handle, that should be on, but it always beeps, so we take that off. Outside. Things are going well. Turn that over. That needs a bit longer on there. Onions, switch them off now, yeah? Or they need a bit longer?
A little bit longer, maybe.
You're stirring me onions. You're interrupting me flow.
Okay. Well, they'll be fine. They'll be fine like that.
They're alright like that?
Yeah, they're edible, so it's fine.
Right, switch that off.
Yeah.
Off. Oops. See how I did that? I caught that. And then flick that up. Done. Gas off. Gas off. Steak. Done. Turn that. Oh, turn that down to 0. Ciabatta. Do you want to do the other side now?
Yeah.
Yeah?
They'll be alright. Yeah.
They're alright then?
Yeah.
It's not very brown.
No, they're warm.
They're warm.
They're warm and crispy.
Warm and crispy. Right, let's go and serve this up. Oh, so, steak, ciabatta thing, caramelised onions and rice, done. So there is life and cooking after the Cadac. It's great. A lot easier. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.